So when we bought the wagon, I remember D-Walt moved it from its existing spot, but he hit the brake like one time and the front wheels locked up and nothing happened in the back. But later on investigated and found out I had a broken brake line. So we had all the brakes fixed, and actually when I took it and pulled it in the garage, it broke a front brake line. So it truly had no brakes. And then we did this while we were there because I don't have an exhaust bender. So we got this little tire smoke shooter 3000, and you can kind of see the muffler way in there. That is your specialty Black Widow. That's the 10-inch one. But yeah, I'm gonna give you the cold start. And we got this like 150 horsepower sticker now, so that's nice. Oh, and we did discover that my Camaro wheels are a different lug pattern. Those are 5x4 3/4, and these are 5x5. So,
but we did get, what did we get?
Oh, we got all the parts too. We
got some parts, but we also got some center caps. We're just going to run the Steelies with new tires.
Oh, those are new old stock, dude.
Yep.
Yeah, I got all this shit.
Corvette servo, transgo shift kit, new fuel pump, thermostat, stuff, you know.
I'm gonna give her some juice.
Fire up.
Here it goes.
Died at an intersection. I wish I had the camera on.
This car runs like bad. It's not even explainable. It's just, you think it's good, and then you sit at a red light for 2 seconds, and then it just doesn't want to do anything.
Yeah.
It has nothing to do with the 2.5-year-old gas that I put in it. Maybe a little. Oh god, here's another one.
Yeah. I'm just going to leave the camera on because I feel like it's going to happen again.
I'm just going to get in the right lane. This is probably going to stall out. Oh, sweet Jesus. You got to keep your foot on the skinny pedal and the fat pedal. Keep her running. It's the old 650 double pumper.
Back seat though.
Yeah, we'll be changing her out later. Oh. There it goes. Now she's got the fuel. Oh, maybe not.
Uh-oh.
It runs fine if you just hold her to the mat and give her the ketchup, but like, to do anything else.
if it stalls out again.
Probably could make it if I let it idle. Ready? No, I didn't do it. It's okay. Yeah, these old wagons are really sensitive to feelings. Just gotta rub it. Got weird, dude. It's alright. There ain't no fun in being normal. Hey, look at that car over there. That thing is wrecked. Look at that thing. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Yeah, if we had like really high gears in this, that downshift right there would have been like, "Blah!" And like the front end would have lifted off the ground, probably would have drugged the rear bumper. Not because it actually has horsepower, because the shocks are blown out. We are cruising. Oh my god, I almost hit that curve. Oh, dude, your co-driver, you're 50% responsible right now.
Yeah, I'm just looking at my mirror and I'm like, oh, all right.
It'd be nice if I could see out of that thing.
Yeah. Oh, we're screwed. We're screwed.
Good thing this is a popular road.
We just needed that momentum to get us up over this hill. Oh.
That's to the mat. Probably like, no wonder this thing runs like crap. You're flooring it wherever you go. Well, darn right, I don't do it for fun. Like, I gotta do this to keep it running, otherwise it'll shut off. Duh. What's it got? Not bad.
Alright, so right here we have this Hypertech chip. Open it up. Whole lot of nothing. Open it up more. Still a whole lot of nothing. Oh, there it is. Alright. Ooh. That's where all the horsepower comes from. Put that somewhere. Okay. I already pulled the computer out. Pulled the cover off. All we have to do is take this guy out, which I'm going to do with 2 hands, and swap it out with this one. Okay. So I tidied that up down there. Now we're going to see if it starts. Alright. Everything seems normal so far. Ooh.
It didn't do that before.
No, it didn't. Alright, so we're going to put this guy on now. It's a nice Bosch unit, you know. It goes from here. It is right there on the frame rail. 1 bolt in the ends, and that's it. New filters in. Gotta prime it. I don't hear it, but you never know. Any leaks?
That was from me. That's just residual. It's not leaking.
Alright. We're good. We just put that Hypertech chip in, put a new fuel filter in it. We're gonna take it on a test drive and see if it changed anything at all. Probably not, but you never know.
Bring a jacket in case we break down. I don't want to get eaten by coyotes. Just making sure my head's still on. We only have one functioning mirror. Sounds different. Call me crazy, but it definitely does sound different. Somebody plastered that design the other day.
I believe it. Gotta get this thing dialed in on this. All right, so we pulled out the O2 sensor. It's clapped out. And then I pulled out a spark plug, and let me tell you,
that's clapped out even more.
I feel like this is the auto light of 99 maybe. I don't know. But either way, we're putting in the new O2 sensor. I'm gonna try to change out the plugs. Oh, and we just got a new coolant temp sensor. We got the BWD, you know, better when drunk. So we're gonna throw those in and then see what that does. All right, so spark plugs are in. O2 sensors in, new coolant temp sensors in. Will it make any difference? Who knows, but we're gonna find out. Try this again. Nah, more like 100. And set the base timing. Oh. Alright.
I think this is non-flammable.
Alright, final test drive.
expect you to like it. I don't even care if you don't like it. Just like it.
No, he means to say subscribe.
Yeah, and that other one.
We don't really care about the likes. Just hit the subscribe button. Like I said, even if you're just remotely interested, you know, that would we'd really appreciate it. All right, thanks.